Right here I got a men's Icelink Marco Polo diamond watch. Got your full diamond casing. No diamonds missing at all. Very flashy watch. All 5 time zones fully functional. Got your world map dial as well. This watch is pre-owned, in great condition. Got your diamonds right here on the band, part of the band. There's your serial number right there on the bottom. Swiss movement, water resistant. Everything factory. Casing's approximately 47 millimeters wide. Very nice watch. My number is posted at the bottom. If you're interested, hit me up. If you need any additional pictures or anything else, also go ahead and hit me up. You also got your Icelink logos right here on all the crowns.